All right, what's up, guys? This is Dusty from Southeast Collectibles. I am opening up the two NBA Mosaic blaster boxes today. These are really hard to find, actually. I had to get both of these off eBay. So let's hopefully pull a Zion here. Do an X right there. Okay, so we got 8 packs, so let's see what we can do here. Okay, first card, Pascal Siakam, base card. Colin Sexton. Jam Masters insert Zach LaVine, and Rui Hachimura rookie card. It's a nice one. Let's leave that one up too. I'm going to separate these rookies from the bases also. Give me those scissors back there in that box. I'd rather do it that way anyways. Okay. Base Markelle Fultz. Base George Hill. Frank Ntilikina Prism. And Alexander Walker. Okay, base Kemba Walker. Nice base Trae Young. Here's a Giannis will to win. It's an insert. And Karl Malone. It's like a green in the back here. Bruce Brown base. And his Cantor. Bam Adebayo. That's nice. And Kevin Porter rookie. These packs are really hard to open sometimes. See CJ McCollum. Rajon Rondo. Say give and go Drew Holiday. That's pretty nice. And Larry Bird. Okay, Terry Rozier. Daniel House Jr. Nice rookie green Tyler Herro. That's really nice. And Keldon Johnson rookie. Let's leave that Herro up. We got 2 more packs for the next box. Let's hope to get a Zion or Jaw on this one. Okay, Kyle Lowry. Malik Monk. Spud Webb. And rookie Brandon Clark. It's a nice one. Last pack. Let's see. Okay, Jonas Valanciunas. Josh Richardson. Darian Prince. And I have no idea how to say this guy's name for the Knicks. I'm sure he's not really relevant, so. Okay, let's go to the next box here. Okay, last 8 packs here. Okay, Serge Ibaka, Goran Dragic, Nikola Vucevic, and Terrence Davis rookie. I feel like there's like a rookie in almost every pack, though. That might be how they come. Okay, Cody Zeller, DeMar DeRozan, Got Game Pascal Siakam, and Charles Barkley, Team USA card. Okay, Jalinka, Jamal Murray, Bobby Portis Green, and a rookie Jackson Hayes. Trevor's gonna really like that one though. Former Texas Longhorn. There we go. Base LeBron James. That's beautiful. That's a really nice card. That one to the side there. Buddy Hield, DeAndre Ayton, and MVP James Harden. I wish these cards would stack up a little better. Okay, Kevin Huerter, James Harden again. Jam Masters DeAndre Jordan, and Eric Pascal, rookie NBA debut card. It's not bad. All right. 3 more packs for Zion. Let's try to hit this. Okay, my boy Dylan Brooks. Josh Hart. Admiral Schofield rookie card. It's not numbered, but it's a pretty nice card actually. And Romeo Langford rookie card. Okay, Julius Randle, Nikola Jokic, Jason Tatum, green. And how in the Mufiondu Jelly, rookie from the Clippers. This guy go to school at? Oh, Florida State. Okay. Knew he sounded familiar. I just don't know how to say his name very well. I'm sure he's really not watching this video right now, but if he was, I apologize. Okay, Danny Green. And oh my goodness. Rookie autograph, Kendrick Nunn, Miami Heat. That is beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. He's one of the most slept on rookies in this class. I think behind Zion and Ja, he's probably next in Rookie of the Year voting, I would assume. New top loaders here. I'm going to throw that in one. And old school Tracy McGrady. It's a pretty nice card. And Karl Malone. All right, I'm going to look back right at this Kendrick Nunn one more time. This is just... that is just something special. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in tonight. I appreciate it. Look out for more videos soon.